What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Bulls Garage, coming at you with none other than the boss and her son, Frenchie. Everybody knows Frenchie. I actually had somebody on YouTube that was buying my wheel spacers, and I sent them a picture, and Frenchie was in the background. They're like, "Oh, are you sending Frenchie with him with the parts too?" I'm like, no, Frenchie's staying. Anyway, I digress. We are in my wife's brand new, what are we in, honey? What are we in? Tell them.
Lexus 450 HF Sport.
What is wrong with your voice? Jesus Christ. Tell everybody, honey, what car did we buy?
We bought a Lexus 450 HF Sport, of course, in white.
What year?
2019.
That's right. Brand spanking new RX450 hybrid. And why did you decide to go with the hybrid instead of the regular 350?
Well, so I drove both of them, and actually this one is a lot faster. I drove both of them, and the hybrid has more torque. It pulls faster. Rather than the other one, you feel it moving each gear. So let's just say the hybrid's a lot faster. It saves a little bit more gas.
A little bit, way more gas. This hybrid is rated at 31 city compared to the regular F-Sport 350, which is a 3.5 liter V6 that's rated at 20 miles city. This thing is rated at 31.
Also, it feels like you're driving a cloud. Half the time you don't even know if the car is on or off because it turns into electric mode. And you know how many times I've been driving people in this car, they're like, "Where are you going? The car is not on." Oh, it's on. It's just silent. I named her Silent Night.
Oh, I didn't know that. Yes, so this is a hybrid, so it is capable of running full electric mode under the correct conditions. So let's say under 25 miles per hour, if you're not heavy on the accelerator, it will stay in full hybrid. Then the motor kicks on and it just continues to add power. The one thing I was telling my wife about that I didn't like was that this car comes with the CVT transmission, and I'm not a fan of CVT. Compared to other cars, it's one gear that the car stays in, but
that is the future.
Yes, that's the future
of cars.
According to her.
So
for me, I was not a fan of it because cars, manual, shifting gears. CVTs to me were like one gear, like that's not meant to be. But in order for this hybrid to be as smooth as it is, and for you to not feel when the engine kicks on, that's why it has to be a CVT, because it's one constant gear. So let's say you're cruising in your full electric mode, then the engine kicks on and the transmission kicks in, you're already in that gear. You don't have to search for a gear. There's no jerks, there's no clunks. It's just smooth transition. Also,
the car tells you, it can show you a heads-up display of what you are doing. How is that? Where did I switch that? Do you remember? Oh.
So the car lets you know if it's getting power from the battery pack when the engine is on, if it has regenerative braking. Like right there, she's accelerating it a little bit, and it showed that the engine was giving power to the wheels and to the battery. Right now the brakes are charging the battery. So it's a pretty cool system. It works pretty well. It's very efficient, and my wife absolutely loves this car.
100%. He tried making me not get it and go for a cheaper, but this was actually a great deal for especially a hybrid, and I don't regret it. So all you ladies and everybody out there, you want a car, you get what car you want, not what anybody else tells you, because you will regret it, promise you, and you won't drive a car that you love.
That's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. This is gonna provide a lot more content for the channel, to the Lexus brand. There's gonna be a bunch of stuff that we're gonna do to this car. We already tinted the windows, so that's done. That was the first, had to get done to make this thing look perfect. All right, guys, we are signing off. Please make sure to subscribe below, hit that bell icon for all future videos, because there's gonna be a lot more content on this hybrid.